traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 28th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly time frame, I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, I think we're going out for a 3, 4, and 5, probably most likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which I still think is going to go all the way up into this area up here, most likely someplace around the 161.8 to the 198% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is an uptrend. I think it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I still believe this is like an expanding flat or like a running flat. Because this is 3 waves down, this is 3 waves up, and it's 5 waves down. So for me, it definitely looks like a 3, 3, 5 pattern. And it did make a higher high and a higher low, so it probably is more like a running flat. I think we're right now in a wave 1. We're eventually going to make a wave 2, and then go up and make a wave 3 to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame is where you can start to see the trends within a trend. I think this is very clearly a 1. This is an ABC of 2. I think we're in a wave 3, which I still think has a lot of upside potential to finish off this wave 3. I believe we're going all the way up to the 361 to 323 area to finish off this wave 3. And eventually make a wave 4 and a wave 5, and this is all just going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1, which I think is a wave 1 of wave C on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So taking it down to that 4 hour time frame, you really have to notice that we are still making higher highs, higher lows. The trend is definitely still up on basically every single time frame for the 4 hour up, which is why I am for sure primarily looking for longs right now, especially on these shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, does kind of seem pretty likely based on the dollar analysis that we could get a move to the downside, but I definitely wouldn't count on that, and I definitely wouldn't trade based on that, because I think we're in a wave 3, and this very easily could just make small corrections and just keep on trending up. But to me, it does kind of look like 1 down, 3 up. And it could possibly go down again to complete like a proper A, B, and C correction before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So whether it makes a proper A, B, C correction or whether it just keeps on trending up, I don't really care. All I really care about is trying to get in at the end of every single pullback that I can identify for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's head right down to the 1 hour time frame, which we're already at. So I am definitely just going to continue to look for longs on this 1 hour time frame and below until I get at least a significant breakup starts it to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.